Welcome back. Today we're covering the best robotic vacuum cleaners of 2025, the smartest way to clean your home. From 10,000 pascal suction to AI navigation, these robots take vacuuming and mopping to the next level. We'll be reviewing the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, Dreame L20 Ultra, ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S, Shark AI Ultra, and eufy Omni S1 Pro, all packed with amazing features like self-emptying, auto mop washing, and even hot water mop cleaning. Let's find out which one's the ultimate home cleaner. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a cutting-edge robotic vacuum cleaner that sets a new standard for home cleaning in 2025. With an impressive 10,000 pascal suction power, this device ensures deep cleaning from corners to edges, effectively capturing dust, dirt, and debris. Its sonic mop feature scrubs floors with precision, tackling tough stains with ease. Equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance, the S8 MaxV Ultra navigates around furniture, toys, and other obstacles seamlessly, ensuring an uninterrupted cleaning experience. This smart cleaner also comes with a hot air self-drying system, which prevents mold and odors in the mop, enhancing hygiene. The auto-empty and refill system allows the robot to independently manage its dustbin and water tank, significantly reducing maintenance time. Plus, the built-in detergent dispenser ensures optimal cleaning performance for sparkling floors. Whether you need a quick tidy-up or a thorough clean, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency, making it an essential device for any modern home in 2025. The Dreame L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is a game-changer for home cleaning in 2025, offering an exceptional combination of power, convenience, and smart technology. With a robust 7,000 pascal suction, it effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors, ensuring a deep clean with every pass. Its innovative Mop Extend feature allows for effective mopping, while the auto mop removal and raising mechanism ensures that your floors stay dry when the vacuum switches to carpeted areas. Designed for maximum convenience, the self-emptying and self-refilling systems allow the Dreame L20 Ultra to manage its dustbin and water tank without any manual intervention, significantly reducing maintenance time. The AI obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation, preventing the vacuum from getting stuck or bumping into obstacles as it moves through your home. With its washing and drying function, the mop stays clean and dry, maintaining hygiene with every cleaning session. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, stains, or dust, the Dreame L20 Ultra delivers an unparalleled cleaning experience with cutting-edge technology for a truly hands-free clean. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S AI Robot Vacuum and Mop is a top-of-the-line cleaning solution for 2025. Designed to tackle all your household cleaning needs with intelligent features and exceptional performance. With a powerful 11,000 pascal suction, this robot effortlessly captures dust, dirt, and debris, ensuring your floors stay spotless. The TrueEdge Adaptive Edge. Mopping technology provides a superior edge-to-edge clean, reaching into corners and along walls where dirt tends to collect. Featuring zero tangle technology, the T30S ensures hair and debris don't get tangled in the brush, minimizing maintenance and maximizing efficiency. Its AI instant remop function allows the vacuum to automatically remop areas that need extra attention, ensuring a thorough clean. The hot water mop washing feature enhances cleaning power, breaking down tough stains and sanitizing floors effectively. The self-emptying and self-refilling systems reduce your interaction with the robot, keeping it ready for the next clean without any hassle. With AI obstacle avoidance, it navigates around furniture and obstacles effortlessly, making sure it never gets stuck. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is a powerful, smart cleaning solution designed to handle every corner of your home with ease, making it an ideal choice for 2025. Equipped with Matrix Clean navigation, this robot vacuum intelligently maps and navigates your home, ensuring that no area is missed. Whether you have carpets or hard floors, it adapts seamlessly to different surfaces, providing a thorough clean with precision. One standout feature is the 60-day capacity self-empty base, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning session, allowing you to go longer without needing to empty it yourself. Perfect for homes with pets, this vacuum effectively captures pet hair, dirt, and debris with powerful suction, while also reducing allergens. The voice control feature adds convenience, enabling you to command the vacuum hands-free through smart assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. With its advanced home mapping, the Shark AI Ultra ensures a tailored clean, adjusting to your home's layout and cleaning needs. Whether you're tackling pet messes, dust, or dirt, the Shark AI Ultra offers hands-free convenience, powerful performance, and smart features for a truly effortless cleaning experience. The eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro is a versatile, all-in-one cleaning powerhouse designed for homes that require both vacuuming and mopping in 2025. With a robust 8,000 pascals suction, this robot vacuum picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair with ease, ensuring your floors are spotless. It also features floor washing capabilities, transforming it into a complete cleaning system that not only vacuums, but also mops your floors for a deep, thorough clean. The EcoClean ozone technology ensures a hygienic cleaning experience, neutralizing odors and disinfecting the mop cloth for a fresh, clean environment. Its auto-mop washing and drying system eliminates the need for manual intervention, keeping the mop cloth in optimal condition after each use. The vacuum also includes obstacle avoidance, navigating around furniture and other barriers with ease, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The self-emptying feature allows the vacuum to dispose of dust and dirt automatically, keeping maintenance to a minimum.
And that's a wrap on the best robotic vacuum cleaners of 2025. From super suction power to self-maintenance features, these robots are changing the game. Which one's your favorite? Let us know below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.